Hello, wonderful Solana Beach School District staff. Susana Romero-Reese and I are so excited to introduce our Peace Talks to all of our Carmel Creek, Solana Highlands, and Solana Vista students and staff. Our Solana Beach School District SEL focus for the month of May is on the CASEL competency of responsible decision-making. Responsible decision-making includes the abilities to make caring and constructive choices about personal behavior and social interactions across diverse situations. This includes the capacities to consider ethical standards and safety concerns, and to evaluate the benefits and consequences of various actions for personal, social, and collective well-being. Peace Talks offers our students a way to resolve conflicts at school in kind and fair ways. Students are encouraged to try 3 of their conflict resolution strategies before trying a peace talk. Here is a visual of a few conflict resolution strategies that our students may use before trying a peace talk. There are a few steps to take for a peace talk. The first step is to encourage our students to be responsible decision makers. This means they first try to solve their problems and/or conflicts on their own by using a few of our conflict resolution strategies. Students who are having a hard time solving their problems and/or conflicts on their own are encouraged to seek a trusted adult for help with a peace talk. The next step includes all of us. At school, students are encouraged to go to any staff member, also known as their trusted adult, to ask for help with a peace talk. Then, students involved in the conflict fill out a peace talk form separately. This may be done on their own or with help from a trusted adult at school. Our kindergarten and first grade students may need our help with filling out our peace talk forms. Keep in mind that this is a great time for everyone involved in the conflict to have some time to calm any big feelings, so they may think clearly and better be able to solve the problem or conflict in a peaceful and kind way. Finally, we help the students involved in the conflict come up with a plan or agreement that will help make things better for everyone involved. Let's review what our peace talk forms look like. We have a K-1 friendly peace talk form, and we have a 3-6 friendly peace talk form. Copies of these forms will be available for all staff via soft and hard copies. Thank you for your time today, and please feel free to reach out to Susana and I with any questions. Thank you for all of the love and care you provide for our students on a daily basis. You are valued and appreciated.